Hello and welcome. I've got here for you a Mooveo motorhome on the Ford Transit base. This is the TEI F65DH. What a horrendous name. It's called €75,000 almost. Oh no, so it's going to cost a bit more because that's the basic. There you go, 85,000 there. Let's have a look at what it's got inside. Come up here, it's got a face-to-face layout here, and if you lift this thing up here, you'll find another chair because there'll be some chair facing that way for when you're in motion. What's clever about this thing here though is this bit at the back, and it gives you all of this space here. Look at that, there's a wardrobe there, you've got these things for your clothes. I mean to get some of these from my own van. Drawers, fantastic amount of space for storing things. So it's really a dressing room in here. Now this is a shower, for those who didn't realise what it was. My bag's got stuck on something behind me, and there with a skylight up there. The thing my bag got stuck on was this door here, closes like that. There's your toilet. So you've got this huge amount of space in here for as a dressing room. And now this type of layout, this is the only one exactly like this. There are others in other Trigano companies, for example, which do on Pilot companies which do something similar, but Pilot brands, sorry I should say, and Trigano brands which do something similar. We'll open up this here, and there we've got the bed. This will drop down electronically, and it's thanks to this bed being up there we've got all of this space which has thus been obtained. You can make another bed up below, so it will actually sleep four, but I think this is a bit of a squash in a van of this size. Let's see if they've left if I can bring this down or not. Doesn't work. You know why? They took the fuses out. Why'd they do that? To stop people playing around with it. So that is understandable. I can't actually show it to you coming down, but it will come down. When you bring it down, you're going to have to move these things out as well. So they have to lie down, and then the bed will drop down. Here we've got the sink. We've got two burners here, and under this, of course, we've got some drawers. Oops, looks like that. And there you go. No, we've got proper sides on these drawers. Here's the fridge, and big Dometic fridge, three-way fridge, uses gas as well. There's electric, 12 and 230 volts, and there you go, storage up there, storage below. Good. It's on an automatic automatic gearbox. Take you around, show you now the rear, which is here. It's a big rear for you. There's a door in the other side as well, though we're not going to see that because it's there's another vehicle parked next to it. So TEI F65DH. Now I think that would be better calling it some nice name. Alan's a good name to call things, so it could be called that, for example. Anyway, I hope you found that interesting. I try to do that as quickly as possible, and thanks for watching. I upload every 21:15, so if you're interested in motorhomes and campervans, this is the place to be. But for the moment, bye for now.